This is the Plydolex, made in Belarus. Okay. What is this? The X002Z9E6B9. Sounds cool. I guess it's some other stuff. And came with a bunch of parts. I already took them all out. Also came with these cool little stands. These are neat. A little bit of loosey-goosey. Basically, I've been needing a paint holder instead of just having them roll around in a drawer. So I managed to get all of this put together. Well, not really. I just kind of slapped the first few layers on. So I guess it's sideways right now. And what I'm doing is I'm just putting these little pegs in here. One-handed. Enhance. 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 There we go. Satisfying. So they kind of go through like that. So yeah. Fun stuff, fun stuff. I'll let you watch me do that for a little bit. It's not super hard. And all of those, everything's kind of laser cut. So, well, kind of, say actually laser cut. So you've got all the pieces to assemble it for that on that piece. Then you've got all the little round doohickeys for this thing on that piece. And then the little bits that are the bottom section of this come off of this piece. And I don't know, I'm probably going to use, these are really kind of intriguing shapes, you know. I'm probably going to use them for some sort of model, I guess, of some kind. Yeah. Schmiggity. Schmiggity. All right. So let's just get this thing assembled. I don't think this will take too long, actually. I mean, it seems pretty straightforward. Just when I'm doing, I just, you know, I didn't even really plan on filming today. But I figured, hey, I'm doing something kind of cool. Maybe somebody's interested in building one of these things. Maybe they might want to know how to, or, you know, get one for themselves. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, all right, next step. Looks like we're doing this. If I recall correctly, we were using this giant B1. B1 with the universe. All right, looks pretty straightforward. Looks like it just slots in there. All right, yeah, cool. I love it when stuff just kind of like comes together easily and isn't a pain. Let's get this one in first. I guess we're gonna have to loosen these again. Interesting. Now I'm wondering, do I have to go back and re-glue all these connections? I don't. For a stronger construction, it is preferably, really? It is preferably. Looking like something. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's looking like something here. It is definitely looking like something. Which one is it? Look at that. Got a drawer. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't feel super sturdy, right? It's kind of wiggle. Let's see, is that all of it? I think that's all of it. I think I put the whole thing together already. Yeah, that was the last piece, is just the drawers and then these little things. So, supposedly, these are like little things you put stuff on. You can hold your figure, your miniature, while you're painting it. I mean, yeah, you know, that's cool, whatever. Maybe I'll use it, probably won't. We'll put these in the drawers. Something to put in the drawers, I guess. Already making use of the drawer. Cute. All right. I ended up with a bunch of extra pieces. I don't know what these are for. They came out for something. Doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason to them. Okay. Oh, this, if you can believe it, this is supposed to be a tool. So this is supposed to aid you in putting these little here, let's see. So when you put these keys in the slot, these little latches, let me get a better image. This thing is supposed to help you push them down into it. I mean, I didn't need it. It's quite awesome. Looks like it holds a lot of paint. I mean, it's a laser cut piece of wood. You can't expect it to be built like a tank. But for what it is, I think it's pretty cool. It came with a bunch of extra pieces. Everything's laser cut pretty well. You know, I've got all these little extra bits. So in case I lose any, I've got spares. So these parts are just extras. They're the parts that had all the cutouts. And frankly, they're kind of cool, you know? I can already see this as being like some really cool palace wall or some kind of really interesting sci-fi scaffolding, you know, like Eldar maybe, or some kind of other weird thing. Just looks really cool. Or using them as even using them as a you know, spray template for some sort of interesting design, like a stencil. They're just really funky, you know. So that'll be fun. But I'm gonna put these away. All right. So what do we start with? Vallejo's. I've got some, looks like apple barrel. I've got some golden. I got a lot of paints here. I gotta say, I may not even have enough room. I think this one's designed to hold 58 paints, something like that. All right, so let's see here. Golden fits fine. Oh, you know, I gotta say though, the apple barrel are much taller. I'm not seeing this being very good at holding those, but I don't know. Yeah, I guess they do. We were trying to see if these will fit in there. And when I say these, it's quite a lot. It's like a little paint booth marathon. Let's see here. I don't know if these will fit. These are Vallejo airbrush primers. I don't think these will fit. These are pretty large. I got these three guys. Whoa, those fit too. Damn, all right. Okay, all right. Let's see what else will fit. I have some more of those old polyester paints. Wow, okay. Do these fit in here? No, they're too big. But they might fit up here. Let's find out. It's a bit precarious, but hey, whatever it works, right? To be honest, the weight probably gives it a little more stability. I think the paint was a success. I mean, this obviously holds quite a lot. That's probably all my paints, actually. And yeah, it holds a lot of paints, quite a bit. Claims I think it holds 58 paints. I don't know if there's 58 there, but I have at least a good, more than a dozen up here. 15, 18 paints, all these. It's a lot of paint.